Today we're gonna make cinnamon sugar koulourakia. To get started on making our koulourakia, we're gonna start with 2 sticks of butter, room temp or softened, 1.5 cups of sugar. And we're gonna use a hand mixer to beat this until it is almost all white. We gotta incorporate the sugar and the butter together. So you can see here, it's nice and creamy. So it's ready for the next. We have 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna put this here. So I love to see how different people make different Greek recipes. So koulourakia, people roll them differently. You know, there's all kinds of different variations. When we made this, one other recipe on our website, we made it for Easter and we separated the dough and colored it so it was like Easter colors, which is awesome. But this Christmas, when I went to my cousin's house, she rolled it in cinnamon and sugar. And that's how I got the idea to make it for you guys today. So I'm gonna now incorporate the vanilla. Okay, and next we have our orange juice. So we have 1/2 cup of orange juice here, and we're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And we're gonna add that right into our orange juice, and we're gonna let that bubble a little. We gotta let the baking soda and the orange juice react. See, look at that. It's like a science experiment. So now that's bubbling. We're gonna add it slowly. We're gonna put our hand mixer on low. And next we're gonna add in our eggs. We have 4 eggs. We're gonna do 1 at a time with our mixer on low. Now that we have all our wet ingredients ready, we'll do our dry ingredients. So we have 6.5 cups of flour here. And we're gonna do 3 teaspoons of baking powder to the flour. I know I was giving this recipe to somebody. They weren't Greek and they were mentioning how this seemed like a lot. But the truth is, this is gonna make a lot of cookies. But you make these around the holidays and you want to have a good amount so that you could share and give some out to other people. So I'm excited about making them with cinnamon sugar because it's just a little bit different. So we're going to add this in slowly, but I'm not going to use the hand mixer for this. I'm going to mix it by hand. Okay. You need to add enough flour so it's not sticky anymore. But once we get towards the end of mixing this with a spoon, now it's gonna be time to use our hands. So scrape that off. And now I'm gonna start kneading the dough with my hand here. So we knead this dough, all the flour's in there. Look. Ready to go. It's not sticky anymore, but we need to stick it in the fridge. I'm gonna put it in the bowl, cover it with some saran wrap. I'm gonna put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours, and then we're gonna roll out our cookies. So we took our dough out of the refrigerator. We let that cool. We have cinnamon sugar, lined baking sheets with parchment paper. And to measure each cookie, I'm using a scooper. So that way you can measure them exact. So we're gonna take this and we're rolling it out. Okay, perfect. And then in half. And then we're gonna turn it 3 times. Just like that. Nice little twist. And we're gonna roll this in the cinnamon sugar, and my dog's going crazy. Okay, I'm gonna put that right here on the baking sheet. So I rolled all our cookies with the help of my mother-in-law, and we're gonna pop these in the oven. So the oven was already preheated at 350, and we're gonna bake them for about 15 to 20 minutes. 1. We took our cookies out of the oven. We cooked them for about 25 minutes. We need them to be nice golden brown color on the bottom. You see that? And these cookies are ready. Look, they look awesome. So I'm gonna plate them up here. And these cookies, look, I made a lot. So they're gonna last a while. I'm gonna put them in Ziploc bags. They're also a great fun treat. My kids love them, all their friends do. They all can't wait till I make koulouria. They all say it all the time. These cookies are ready. For this recipe and hundreds of other recipes, check out my website at nikkiglekis.com.